Hello guys, this is 16th Basement.
In this video, I'm going to show how to use CapCut Pro for free. First of all, open CapCut. And import your videos that you want. Let's put some stickers. This symbol diamond mark is the Pro one. The next one is normal CapCut. First, let's put normal CapCut sticker. Okay, done. Now we can export, but there is a problem when using Pro sticker. It shows me in Pro, so I have a trick. Some people might have easy way but can off the Wi-Fi and can use Pro. And other people should do this method. Like I'm in McDonald's. Okay, this is the trick. Best meaning Bandicam. It's a recording software. It's easy to run. And open full screen. Record. Go for CapCut. Full screen. A camel solver. And start. Now the Bandicam is recording your video. You edited Pro also it will record. It's a free use. It's a trick also. This is the Pro sticker. Now stop the recording and go for the recorded video. I'm going to cut it and paste to desktop for easy. Close CapCut and new project. Import your recorded video. Now we can export this video. Look at the unusual parts that opening and ending of the unit the video, right? So you need to cut the opening and ending. This is the best trick to use CapCut Pro. So if you enjoy this video, make sure to subscribe and like. there's a watermark in Bandicam, so you may need to crop it. If you want, you can use another screen recorder. I'm using Bandicam, it's easy to use, so I'm using that. This is the Pro sticker, it's easy. Now we successfully used CapCut Pro easily without paying or anything. This is the easiest trick. Now we exported. Now you can use this video for anything. Thank you, bye bye. Subscribe guys.